The one-arm push-up, one of the best calisthenics chest exercises of all time, and one of the best ways to overload your chest muscles just by using your body weight. It is in my bucket list for a while now, and it is finally time to take it more seriously. So for the next 30 days, my plan is to do 100 assisted one-arm push-ups every single day, 50 one-arm push-ups for each arm. By the way, disclaimer, being able to do lots of regular push-ups doesn't guarantee that you can do a single one-arm push-up. And since I am not able to do a single one-arm push-ups yet, I am gonna be using resistance bands to do assisted one-arm push-ups. I am gonna loop them over a pull-up bar to take off some of my weight. And my goal is to master the one-arm push-up by the end of 30 days. And let's see how many one-arm push-ups I can do by the end. I am also gonna be breaking up the 100 reps into 10 sets of 10, which means 5 sets of 10 for my left arm and 5 sets of 10 for my right arm. Make sure to stick all the way till the end to find out the moment of truth. I'm pretty pumped, and without further ado, let's get into work. Okay, wow, welcome back to my studio. It's pretty intense, especially the last few days. I don't even want to feel like doing it anymore. But anyways, throughout these 30 days, as you can see, I started out with the thickest resistance bands and then dropping the resistance to thinner and thinner bands. And I make sure to only drop to a thinner band when I could progress and do at least 12 to 15 reps per set on the thicker band. And then I will go back to doing sets of 10 on the thinner band. And okay, now without further ado, the moment of truth. Let's look at the fruit of the 30 days challenge. Okay, let's see how many one-arm push-ups I can do. Wow, not bad. It's pretty good, not gonna lie. It's pretty good. It's better than I expected. My initial goal was to do around 12 reps, but I got 20, so this method definitely works. I am gonna continue to train and work on it. Okay, now finally, do I recommend this 30 days challenge? Heck yeah, why not? But only if you have already mastered the regular push-ups. If you wanna attempt the one-arm push-ups, here's a few things to take note of. Firstly is to train up your regular push-up first, right? It is your foundation. I would say you have to be able to do at least 20 to 30 strict push-ups all the way down and all the way up. And if you can't do that yet, then I definitely recommend you to try out the 30 days 300 push-ups challenge, which I actually did last month. You can check out that video link in the description below. But just take note again that being able to do lots of regular push-ups doesn't guarantee that you can do a single one-arm push-up. It is like a different mechanism, right? It's like a different technique. But the foundation of your chest strength, it is still important nonetheless. And the second thing to take note of is to just use resistance bands, alright? It is the most effective way to learn and train because you really practice the full motion right from the start. And thirdly, most importantly, don't let your ego get in the way. Don't rush it, right? Don't advance too quickly in terms of your resistance band. You can even use 2 resistance bands at the same time if you have to. Don't be too eager and advance too quickly because you may strain your elbows and your chest. You also don't have to commit to too many sets and reps. I feel like 5 times 10 for each arm, it is pretty good enough. At the end of the day, just listen to your body, right? Which is the most important lesson that I have learned over the years. The number 1 rule for all kinds of training is to train safely. And that is it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to smash that thumbs up button for me to let me know, yo Evan, pretty dope challenge, man. Which other 30 days challenge would you like to see me do? Let me know down in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Have a great day, y'all, and I'll see every single one of you in my next video.